Did you run out of drink mixes that you wanted? Then all the rest have like allergy that you're allergic to or caffeine that you do not want? Follow me for more tips on how to make your drink tasty without the artificial colors and caffeine. So, what you need is a bottle of water, like this one, and a lid. Then, you need to decide, do you want wild blueberries in your water, or do you want some juice in your water? So today I'm going to be putting in some wild blueberries in my water. Get the wild blueberries out if you don't want it. I think I'm going to do that. Actually, I decided that I did not want wild blueberries in my water. I'm going to put some juice in my water. You know what? People can make diffused waters all the time, but why not put juice in it? So everybody knows not to put juice in your water. Lemon juice in your water, especially if it's plastic. You can do it if it's glass or something, but today I'm going to be making some tart cherry juice. This brand is not sponsored, so tart cherry juice water, what we're going to do is going to pour a little bit in here, like that much, and then put the cap back on the liquid, your juice. You're going to put your cap back on the water without tipping it over, like I almost did. Keep screwing, just keep screwing, just keep screwing. Alrighty. Now you're going to flip the cap. Just do a big shake. Now it's time for the taste test in the final screw. Because it was leaking off on my hand, so let's taste it. You could add a little bit more juice if it just tastes like water. You can add a little splash of juice left, like mine tastes like water. So we're gonna just add a splash more juice. Just maybe not that much, just a little bit. Then you're going to just continue screwing the lid on. Make sure it's tight so it won't leak all over your hands. Shake. And then it should look like something like this if you put tart cherry juice in. By the way, that's pink. The water bottle's pink. There. So that is how to make some tart cherry juice water when you do not have any drink mixes that you want. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and I will see you sometime soon. Bye.